Unraveling the health risks of electric blankets.
Hello and welcome to our discussion on a much debated topic, the potential health risks associated with the use of electric blankets. Electric blankets have become a favorite item for many to keep warm during those chilly winter nights. But are they totally safe? In this video, we will dive into the potential health risks associated with electric blankets. Remember, being informed is the first step towards safety.
What is an electric blanket?
An electric blanket is essentially a blanket that contains integrated electrical heating wires. There are several types, including underblankets, overblankets, throws, and duvets. Electric blankets usually have a control unit that adjusts the amount of heat the blanket produces. While they are a great tool for staying warm and cozy, it's important to know the potential risks associated with their use.
What are the potential health risks?
1. Fire hazards. One of the most immediate risks of using electric blankets is the potential for a fire hazard. If the wiring in the blanket becomes overheated or damaged, it could potentially ignite the blanket or the bed. This is particularly a concern with older or improperly maintained electric blankets. 2. Burns and skin irritations. People with sensitive skin, or conditions that result in reduced skin sensitivity like diabetes, may experience burns and skin irritations. Even low-level prolonged heat exposure can lead to skin problems. 3. Electromagnetic fields, EMFs. Electric blankets, like many household appliances, produce electromagnetic fields, EMFs. While the link between EMFs and health problems is still not completely clear, some studies suggest a potential link to health issues such as reproductive problems and a higher risk of childhood leukemia. However, the evidence isn't definitive and more research is needed in this area. 4. Possible issues during pregnancy. There are concerns about the potential effects of heating and EMFs on pregnant women and their unborn babies. Although there isn't concrete evidence to suggest harm, it is generally recommended to use caution and consult with a healthcare provider.
How to use electric blankets safely?
While there are potential risks associated with electric blankets, there are also precautions that you can take to use them safely. 1. Keep the blanket flat while in use. Avoid folding or bunching the blanket as this could lead to overheating. 2. Inspect your electric blanket regularly. Look for any signs of damage before using it. 3. Avoid using electric blankets with infants, toddlers, or anyone who can't operate the controls properly. They might not be able to communicate or react to overheating. 4. Don't use an electric blanket if you're pregnant or have health conditions that affect skin sensitivity. When in doubt, consult a healthcare provider. 5. Replace old electric blankets. Even if they look fine, they might not meet current safety standards. There you have it. While electric blankets are a great tool for comfort and warmth, it's important to be aware of the potential health risks. With careful use and proper precautions, you can enjoy the coziness they offer while keeping safety in mind. Remember, if you have any doubts or health concerns, always consult with a healthcare provider. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay warm.